JD 26 here for Just Do the Repair and Tips, and we've got a CA pressure pot here. And when you get your pressure pot, you're going to have a valve, and it's going to have a ball valve on it. I took mine off. Okay, ball valves tend to leak, in my opinion. So, this type actually, there's other types that are a lot better, like this one right here. That's a lot better. That one is not leaking. But anyway, you want to pressurize your pot to about 48 pounds. Obviously, there's a working pressure of higher than that. It's stated on the pot, okay? You don't want to go up to that working pressure. And you want to test it. You want to spray test it with liquid soap, okay? And do each and every fitting and look for any bubbles around the fittings, okay? I have a fitting over here that needs to be repaired, and there's a very minute leak, and we're going to take that off, and we're going to apply Loctite 545 to it. That's exclusively what we use to put on the threads of each and every one of these fittings. These fittings, you look at them, to tighten the fitting, you go counterclockwise to tighten it down, the valve, and then clockwise to loosen. Okay, so I want to show you this, and it's a very good pressure pot. Zach Higgins has also a video on this that you want to maybe watch, and go to his channel. Just look in my channel list and you'll find his channel. And I thank you for watching, and have a great day.